Indoor-outdoor living has become a defining feature of modern homes, and for homeowners in Washington, it's more than just a design preference, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Patio doors play a central role in making indoor-outdoor living practical, comfortable, and visually appealing. By connecting interior spaces with outdoor areas, patio doors help homeowners enjoy a more open, flexible, and inviting home environment. Creating a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors, patio doors are designed to remove the barrier between your home's interior and exterior spaces. When open, they create a smooth transition between living rooms, dining areas, or kitchens and patios, decks, or backyards. This connection makes your home feel larger and more connected to its surroundings. For Washington homes, where outdoor spaces are often used for relaxing and entertaining, patio doors make it easy to move between inside and outside without disrupting the flow of daily life. This seamless access encourages more frequent use of outdoor areas. Bringing in more natural light. One of the most noticeable benefits of patio doors is the natural light they bring into the home. Large glass panels allow sunlight to brighten interior spaces, making rooms feel more open and welcoming. Increased daylight can transform the atmosphere of a home, creating a brighter and more comfortable setting. Washington homeowners often appreciate how patio doors reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Sunlit rooms feel more inviting and contribute to a more pleasant living experience overall. Expanding living and entertaining space. Patio doors effectively extend your living space by visually and physically connecting it to the outdoors. When hosting gatherings, patio doors allow guests to move freely between indoor and outdoor areas, making events feel less crowded and more relaxed. For homeowners in Washington who enjoy entertaining, patio doors turn patios and backyards into functional extensions of the home. Even smaller outdoor areas feel more usable when they're easily accessible from inside. Enhancing everyday comfort and flexibility. Patio doors offer flexibility that supports everyday living. On pleasant days, opening the doors allows fresh air to circulate throughout the home, creating a comfortable and refreshing indoor environment. On days when doors remain closed, large glass panels still provide outdoor views and natural light. This adaptability is especially valuable in Washington homes, where homeowners want to enjoy outdoor living without sacrificing indoor comfort. Patio doors allow you to adjust your space to fit your needs at any moment. Improving interior and exterior design. From a design standpoint, patio doors add a clean, modern look that complements a wide range of architectural styles. Their expansive glass surfaces create visual balance and help unify indoor and outdoor design elements. In Washington homes with open layouts, patio doors help maintain sightlines and enhance the sense of openness. They also frame outdoor spaces beautifully, making the view itself part of the home's interior design. Supporting an active and relaxed lifestyle. Patio doors make it easier to step outside for everyday activities, whether that's enjoying morning coffee, letting pets out, or unwinding in the evening. This easy access encourages homeowners to spend more time outdoors while remaining connected to the comfort of home. For Washington homeowners who value flexibility and ease, patio doors support a lifestyle that blends relaxation, activity, and connection with the outdoors. Adding long-term appeal and value. Homes designed with indoor-outdoor living in mind often have strong long-term appeal. Patio doors enhance both functionality and visual interest, making homes feel more modern and thoughtfully designed. Even if selling isn't an immediate plan, Washington homeowners benefit from knowing that patio doors add lasting value and desirability to their property. A key element of indoor-outdoor living. Patio doors are essential because they bring light, openness, and versatility into the home. They help create a natural connection between indoor comfort and outdoor enjoyment. For Washington homes, patio doors aren't just an upgrade, they're a cornerstone of indoor-outdoor living that enhances daily comfort, usability, and the overall experience of home.